So today we are making a snow globe, and we're going to need our yellow, blue, brown, green, white, and gray. We're going to need scissors, glue, and we're also going to need hole punches. So you can have a small hole puncher like this for the snow. You can get star hole punchers like this for the star. Or if you don't have a hole punch, it's okay. You can go ahead and color or draw it in with paint and markers. So let's begin by cutting. We have a lot of shapes to cut today, so let's start with the biggest one, our circle. So put all the other shapes off to the side. And we're going to put our thumb in the small hole, our pointer middle ring in the big hole. Thumbs up. Elbows are by our side, helper hand holds, and we always cut away from our thumb, not towards our thumb. Ouch! We're cutting away from our thumb and staying on the black line. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3, get on the black line, good job. 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. Helper hand moves and turns the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stop. Helper hand turns and moves the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop. Helper hand turns and moves the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop. Helper hand turns and moves the paper. Keep going, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. Helper hand turns and moves the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we go. Let's put this off to the side. Next, we are going to cut the gray base. All right, so let's start with the longest part of the line. We're going to go straight. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Helper hand moves and we turn the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Helper hand moves and turns the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. Helper hand moves and turns the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have our base. Next, we have a big triangle and a small triangle. Let's cut out our big triangle. So ready, set, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop. Helper hand moves and turns the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop. Helper hand moves and turns the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's our big triangle. Now let's cut out our little triangle. Ready? Set, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop. Helper hand moves and turns the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop. Helper hand moves and turns the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So now we need our glue. So remember, we're going to twist, twist, twist until the white goes inside. So we twist it. So now we're going to go ahead and glue on the base to the big circle. So I put little X's to show you where the glue is going to go. And then we're going to do squeeze and tap just a little bit. Squeeze and tap just a little bit. Squeeze and tap just a little bit. And then we're going to put this on just like this. And we're going to go pat, pat, pat. Next, we're going to grab our trunk and we're going to do squeeze and tap, squeeze and tap, squeeze and tap. We're going to turn this around and we're going to go put it under our base. and then go pat, pat, pat. Next, we're going to put the big triangle on first, and then the little triangle on top. So everyone grab your big triangle, turn it around, and we're going to make 3 squeezes and taps at each corner. Squeeze and tap 1, squeeze and tap 2, squeeze and tap 3, and let's put one in the middle. Squeeze and tap 4. Turn it around, put it on your tree trunk, and we go pat, pat, pat. And then the last one, we grab our small triangle, we turn it around. Same thing, we're going to do squeeze and tap 1, squeeze and tap 2, squeeze and tap 3, squeeze and tap in the middle, turn it around, and then we're going to go pat, pat, pat. And we're going to put a small little dot at the top. And then we're going to put it on like this. Pat, pat, pat. Next, we're going to get our white paper, and if you have a small hole punch, we're going to punch out small snowballs. Ready? So I put it in again, so I make sure the white is showing like that. And then I'm going to go push, push, push. Keep moving it down the paper to make snowballs. All right. So let's count how many snowballs I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 snowballs. I'm going to put 8 drops of glue. Ready? Squeeze and tap 1, squeeze and tap 2, squeeze and tap 3, squeeze and tap 4, squeeze and tap 5, squeeze and tap 6, squeeze and tap 7, squeeze and tap 8. So pick it up and put it on a glue. Pick it up and put it on a glue dot. You kind of push your finger on and put it on top. Push it onto your finger, put it on top. Push, put it on, push, put it on, and push, put it on. Is it a big deal that we have glue on our finger? Nope, we just rub, rub, rub it away, and we'll get a tissue to wipe it off.